Hello everyone, this is Robert from GTEN America. Today I'm going to show you how to set the APN on your new GTEN Model 5 or Model 6 wireless LTE router. The first thing you'll do is open up a web browser like Edge or Firefox. Then you'll go to your URL section and you'll type in the URL of the modem. For the GTEN Model 5 and Model 6, that's going to be 192.168.2.1, and then you'll hit enter. You'll be prompted with a password. The password will be admin and admin. Once you enter your password, you'll be at the GTEN GUI main page. What you'll look for to change the APN will be the 4G, 5G modem settings. Once you click here, you can go ahead and set the APN to whatever your carrier's APN is. There is some preloaded options based on the location of where you're at. So today we'll choose the United States. And then we'll go to the ISP and drop that menu down, and there's a couple of preloaded options here. So today we're going to choose ATT broadband. As you see, it will fill in some of the information required to go ahead and do the settings automatically for you. Once you've preloaded the settings that are required, hit the Apply button. And your APN is now set. You can click on the GTEN logo to take you back to the main page. Once you're here, you'll see your status of connected and the IPv4 internet address, IP address provided by the carrier. From there, you are connected and can use the service. Sometimes it will require a reboot, especially if you're changing from carrier to carrier and making APN changes to a different carrier. In order to reboot the modem, you can just unplug it and plug it right back in, or you can hit the reboot button here and this will reboot the modem for you. And just hit OK. And the modem will reboot itself, and it usually takes about a minute to about a minute and 15 seconds to restart and start all the components that are inside. That is how you set the APN for the GTEN Model 5 and 6. You can also do manual entry in case your provider is not listed on the drop-down list. In order to do your own APN or a private APN or something that might not be on the list, you'll go to the same settings, the 4G, 5G modem settings, and it'll come up in a minute. My modem is restarting, so give it a second here. I'll just wait for the modem to restart. I do recommend doing this by Ethernet, but it can also be done by Wi-Fi if necessary. So let's go ahead, click on the 4G, 5G modem settings, and instead of having it auto-populate, you can choose Other, and then your ISP is Other. Choose your SIM card slot if you have a dual SIM modem. Then your APN, you could just type it in yourself, just like that. You choose the PDP type. The most general one is IPv4, but broadband uses both, so might as well take advantage of it. Authentication is none. Band, this is for channel locking purposes, to lock your modem to a certain channel. We'll go over this in a different video. Your preferred network, here you could choose whether you want it just to be on 5G, LTE, or 5G and LTE, or LTE and 3G. I'm going to leave it on auto, that is the most common setting, and then the maximum transmission unit, the MTU, that's provided by your carrier. Generally in North America it's 1428. You hit apply. And now your APN is set. Usually it takes about 30 to 45 seconds to reconnect upon APN changes, but keep in mind, if that doesn't happen within the first 30 to 45 seconds, just hit the reboot button and restart your modem, and once it restarts, it'll take on the new APN. That is how you set the APN, and here it goes, it already connected. That is how you set the APN on the GTEN Model 5 and Model 6 modem. Thank you for watching, and please visit g10america.com.